Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on SoFi Technologies. I've covered this one in the past. I've been covering this one before the ticker change. I think it used to be IPOE. So I've covered this one a couple times, but there's been a lot of talk going on about this one here as of lately. Here you can see what they've done over the last year, down over 38%. So was at $25.78, went down to the $16, $15 range, back up to the $22, $23, and went back down to the $15, $16, found a new low in the 14s, came back up again here in November to $23, and now it's going down again here to the $12 range. So over the past 3 months, down over 27%. In the last month, down 0.61%. Here in the last week, it's actually up over 13.5%. And here's a look at today. So actually had a pretty good day. So it would have been a good buy in there, or actually back in here where you could have got in at the $12 range 2 days ago. So it would have been a good time to buy right there, and then just boom. Or if you had an option going right there, that'd been a really good day on an option as well. This is SoFi Technologies, ticker SOFI. As you can see, I have 3 shares here in Robinhood, so not much here in Robinhood. I have more of this one in a retirement account that I just let sit there and don't really pay attention to it, but if you don't know what SoFi is, they provide financial services, offers home loans, personal loans, in-school loans, and a credit card. SoFi Technology develops non-lending financial products such as money management and investment product offerings. Been around since 2011. 268 million on the volume, and average volume of 48.9 million, so huge volume on this one here today. $12.5 billion market cap, 52-week low of $12.02, and a high of $28.26. Pretty decent ratings on this one, currently showing as a 78% as a buy. And here's a look at their earnings. Next is expected on March 17th. Here you can see where I bought in on this one. Looks like back in August. And over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a buy. Here's some more information on SoFi. Why this analyst believes SoFi Technologies will disrupt legacy consumer finance. And this is just dated yesterday on the 19th. So SoFi has been generating robust growth and appears poised to grow at 28% compound annual rate through 2026, according to Webull. The analyst initiated coverage of SoFi Technologies with an outperform rating and a rating target of $20. The company's members increased to over 3 million in the fourth quarter of 2021, and revenue growth guidance of nearly $1 billion is strong. He expressed optimism about SoFi Technologies being able to drive member growth with an increasing brand presence. SoFi offers comprehensive financial services. The company's streamlined product offering makes it well positioned versus legacy consumer finance providers, including traditional banks who are viewed by younger cohorts as being outdated, not fee-friendly, and have friction in the cross-selling process, given business segments tend to operate in silos. SoFi price action risen by 12.27% to $13.54 at the time of location on Wednesday. SoFi shareholders have endured a 39% loss from investing in the stock a year ago. It's easy to match the overall market return by buying an index fund. When you buy individual stocks, you can make higher profits, but you also face the risk of underperformance. The downside risk was realized by SoFi Technology shareholders over the last year, as the share price declined 39%. That's well below the market return of 9.2%. SoFi Technologies may have better days ahead. Of course, we've only looked at 1 year period. So I'll just have to wait on this one. It's always got a lot of, from time to time, good publicity, good things to be said about this particular stock. That's why I got into it. In the last year, SoFi Technologies saw its revenue grow by 89%. That's a strong result, which is better than most other loss-making companies. Given the revenue growth, the share price drop of 39% seems quite harsh. So maybe it's just providing a buying opportunity out there for everybody. That's how I look at it. So SoFi stock shoots toward the best day in nearly a year. Banking approval cheered as a significant driver, and as you can see, this is just 9 hours ago. SoFi Technologies shares are on track for the best day in nearly a year after analysts chimed in with upbeat views on the company's new banking milestone. December jobs report likely won't change the Fed plans. The company announced late on Tuesday that it obtained approval from the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency and Federal Reserve for a banking charter, which SoFi expects will help it offer better interest rates on lending products and add it to its portfolio of fintech offerings. Shares of SoFi are up 16.7% on Wednesday afternoon, trading and on track of the largest single-day percentage gain since January 29th of 2021, when they rose 24%. The moment we have all been waiting for has finally arrived. So a lot of people say that about a lot of stocks. So he anticipates the consensus estimates will move substantially higher once analysts factor in the expected financial benefit of the charter. Specifically, we are incrementally bullish on 2022. Top pick SoFi, given both the direct benefits. SoFi shares have come under pressure in recent months, following 31% over a 3-month span as fellow new public fintech players Robinhood Markets Incorporated down 65% and Marqeta Incorporated down 45% have suffered rough stretches as well. So actually a lot of the stocks that I've been watching have been struggling here in the last couple weeks. So sometimes they'll have a good day and sometimes they just keep going down. So why SoFi shares continue to move higher today, and this is just 5 hours ago, is trading higher on Thursday on continued strength after the company on Tuesday announced it received approval to become a bank holding company. The Office of the Comptroller of the Currency and the Federal Reserve approved SoFi's applications to become a bank holding company through its proposed acquisition of Golden Pacific Bancorp. The transaction is expected to close in February. SoFi said it plans to operate its bank subsidiary as SoFi Bank National Association. With the National Bank Charter, not only will we be able to lend at even more competitive interest rates and provide our members with high-yielding interest in checking and savings, it will also enhance our financial products and services and to ensure efficiently meet our needs of members. business partners and communities across the country. So we'll see what this does to the stock price in the long term. It's jumping up a little bit, but we'll have to just wait and see if it sustains that. SoFi price action traded as low as $12.02 and as high as $24.95 over the 52-week period. The stock was up by 18.3% at $16.22 at the time of publication. So a very good day for SoFi. SoFi stock surge continues on record volume, and this is just 2 hours ago. Shares are soaring for the second straight day on heavy volume as optimism continues to build for the company's banking ambitions. SoFi stock was up 15% in Thursday trading and currently the most actively traded stock on major U.S. exchanges and volume of 223 million shares as of 3 p.m. Eastern. The volume already marks a record for SoFi. Stock gained 13.7% on Wednesday trading after the company announced that it had won regulatory approval for a banking charter. SoFi joins the meme stock party. Does that mean the parents have to come home? So this was a meme stock at one point in time, maybe more than once. And with the new volume that it's got going on, it's hard to say what's going to happen with this one. Could keep going up, could drop. A lot of people could take profits, it could drop. It's hard to say from here. This is my current position. Knew my bank charter was imminent. Potential gamma squeeze. And another frustrated SoFi investor out there. 2,400 to 110,000 in 2 days on SoFi calls. This still isn't enough to take all of your wives to dinner. Wow, I would definitely take that, and there was good money to be made on calls on that one. So over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a buy. And here on TipRanks, currently showing it as a moderate buy with a 42% upside to $21.40. High of 30, low of 16. That's all that I have on SoFi. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you'd like to share on this one. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.